guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are going to see one error which we face while doing login with Gmail. Okay, so that I have faced now, so I thought I'll make video on that. Okay, so let's start now. So see, this is the application where I'm trying to log in with Google. Okay, you can see this is the application I'm trying to log in with Google, but while doing login, see here is the email ID, so I'm doing login with that. Okay, but you can see I'm getting one error, that is access blocked. bookyourself.com has not completed the Google verification process. Okay, it is telling it is not completed the Google verification process complete. Suppose if you want to do login, then you need to contact bookyourself.com or this email ID, so they will provide you the, what we can say, they will allow you to log in, then only we will able to log in. Okay, so for that what we need to do, okay, so we need to go in our developer account. Okay, so I am on the developer, so I will go in that account only. Okay, so let's go now. So for that we need to log in with our Google consent. Okay, like Google Cloud, console.googlecloud.com. so means where we have created this application, right, for Google login, in that account only we need to go, not in different account. Okay, in that Gmail ID only. So I have created with this Gmail ID, so I have came here only. So here what we need to do, here you need to go in auth consent screen. Okay, after going here I am in auth consent screen only. Here after coming here you can see there is a test users. Okay, and here you can see here the name will come of your application, then here it is test users. So while testing, here we need to add that Gmail ID. Okay, so add users means if you want to give access for 10 email IDs, then you can add that 10 email ID here. Okay, so right now what I will do, I will copy this email ID because I want to give access to this ID, right? So what I will do, I will add here, then I will make it save. Okay, so let's check what will happen. So it is saving, I think it is taking some time. Okay, it is working now. So you can see here the email ID is added, right? So now we'll try to log in with that email ID. So what I will do, I will go back and again I will try with login. So let's check what will happen. So once I will do refresh, sign in with Google here. Okay, you can see now Google hasn't verified this app. You have given access, means we got access now we can log in with this email ID to our application. Okay, so back to safety now, let's continue. We were getting error, right? So but now it is solved that error by adding that email ID. Okay, so you can see now we are able to log in. Okay, so like this we can solve that access denied error in while doing Google login. Okay, so I hope you got this error how to solve. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then please comment in comment box, and even I will tell. See, here it is register user. Suppose for example if there are 1000 users, then how to do that? Every user we cannot register here, right? So that video also I will make soon, like that also video will come soon. So stay tuned to our channel and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone guys, keep supporting guys. Thank you.